What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I decided to come out here this evening. Got about, well, when I started I had about a half-hour daylight left. We got about 10 minutes right now, so I'm not gonna make this intro very long. We're just gonna toss around a jig, and I was throwing around a swim bait too. But so far got on some pretty good fish. Let's see if we can get on some more. Let's get fishing. So we're gonna try to catch a smallmouth on a lure that I have never caught a smallmouth on, that being swim bait. So this is a multi-segmented Susquehanna custom lures, little perch on there. And then for backup, I have a North Branch tackle, little jig head, and baby goat on there for a trailer. But yeah, I've never caught a smallmouth on a swim bait like this. So I'm really eager and I wanna try it. I feel like whatever one's gonna bite, it's gonna be pretty big. We'll see though. There's a lot of grass that this could get hung up in too. Thing looks really good in the water. I don't know if you can see that. Some great swimming action. I'm probably not gonna get a lot of bites with this swim bait, unless it's just one of those days. But like I said, I'm really dedicated on catching my first smallmouth on one. I feel like this is the best time of year to do it too. Early fall. Can definitely feel a lot of grass. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of grass I'm getting caught in. Just stick to the jig here. So there's a few spots down through this bank where it's rocky. Some spots are grassy. Sometimes there's just open rock spots in between the grass. There we go. There's one on a jig. Doesn't feel like a bad one either. Well, at least it's not a dink. I'd say it's a step up from a dink. Anyway, on that North Branch tackle jig there. Nice vibrant orange going on there. There we go, first one of the night. There we go, there's a nice one. There we go, that's a big one on the jig. This guy's got some beef to him. Come here. This is a chunk. Man, it's got pincher sticking up. He just ate a crawfish, and there's my jig hooked inside of his cheek. This is a good fish. Look how I had him hooked. He must have slapped at it. Got him right in the cheek. Shout out North Branch tackle. Look at that one though. That's a good one. We're gonna let him go and see if we can get on some more. Too bad I didn't catch that one on a swim bait. That would have been pretty sick. But still, what a beautiful fish. Thanks for biting, bud. That orange crawl, man. Like I was saying a couple videos back, heard a tip from another guy that they were keyed in on orange, so I figured why not. But I'll leave links in the description too where you can check out North Branch Tackle jigs. It just pairs up wonderfully with that orange and green pumpkin baby goat. Dude, when that one bit it, I didn't even feel the bite. I just kind of lifted up and felt the pressure and set the hook. I figured I'm not even gonna bother throwing around the swim bait down here. There's just so much grass in the water. All right, we got like 10 minutes of daylight left. Just one more spot I want to try right down here. All right, it's quite the hike down that bank. Let's see if we can get on some more good smallies here. Oh, just had a bite. I just landed on its head whenever I casted. There we go, got him that time. Doesn't feel bad, it ain't bad. Come through the grass. Go. I don't know if this is the same one that bit. We'll just say it was. There we go, number 3 for the evening. Beautiful colors on that guy. I love when they have a dark back and there's light lines going through them. Beautiful fish. I love fishing, but I hate whenever you're on limited time. Especially the race against darkness. It's hard to find time. Go to work, got errands to run, got stuff to do around the house. I just love being out here any chance I get though. And I appreciate all you guys watching and supporting too. And thank you for that. All right guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Just a nice quick little outing, productive outing too. We got on some pretty good fish. But I'm gonna keep on throwing out swim bait in this jig the next couple of days. Hopefully we can get on a couple more big ones. But I'll see you guys soon. Stay fishing, stay anchored.